And let me teach you something if you don't know how to do it. Now, this is the same video you just watched that I sent to you on Telegram. You can see this progressing bar right there, just at the bottom here. You can see it right there moving. Okay. And of course, the sound, like I will send you the sounds that we use. This particular sound that I use is Last Hope by Steve Ralph. So you reduce the sound by -29 or -28, depending on how on if the sound is not too loud. But let me show you how to do this progressive bar right here. So let me delete this. Okay. So to do the progressive bar, you go at the beginning of the video you're making, then you go to text and you can just drag the default text in. Now I will just remove this and put underscore two, like two underscore, right? One underscore, two underscores, right? And I'll go down here and I will this uniform scale under basic uniform scale, I will unmark it. Now the width, I'll make the width 1000. The height, I'll make it 700. Okay, that's what we have there. Now for the blend, I'm going to make it 80, not 100. That's the opacity. Okay, so I will drag it down to the bottom of the page. Let me increase this a bit. Okay, so down to the bottom of the page. Now I will drag this from the beginning to the end of the video, and I will make this a compound clip. You know how to make it a compound clip, right? You can either right click and create a compound clip. Yours might be Alt G, but you can go to shortcut. I change it to Control G. Or is it Control G, right? So mine is Control G. I change it to Control G. So I'll just make it a compound clip. Now from this compound clip, you go to mask and you click on this first one that says horizontal. Now you scroll to the middle, you will see these two signs. Make sure this rotating bar is at the left side or the bottom and this arrow is at the top. Then you rotate this 90 degrees, minus 90 degrees, okay? This normally takes small time, but let me use my mouse, the laptop mouse. So this 90 degrees. Remember this thing is there at the end, at the beginning, sorry. Then you drag this to the end, okay? And when you drag to the end, you come down to unmask, under mask, you go to positioning, then you add a keyframe at the beginning. Now you take your cursor down to the end of the video where you want the progressive bar to reach. And again, remember you are still on mask and the keyframe is already here. Then you come here and you drag the progressive bar to the end. Now watch the magic. Cognitive function or emotional regulation. Paul Kern's inability to sleep after his brain injury was an intriguing medical. All right. So you can see it moving. But nothing worked. I need to move to the end. It's a medical mystery because he was said to have had an but he died in March 1943. Because he was said to have had an early death, but he died in March. Okay, so this is how to do this.